So excited because we just got sent the X3 XL, and we've had the X3 mop for a while now, and it's been phenomenal. So nothing wrong with that. It's great. I'm just so excited for this one. Okay, so inside when you first get it, you're gonna have what you need to make the mop, and you just kind of pop that together. That's super simple. And then this is the brush part. Pops on. And then you get some extra refills on that as well. So you can see the difference in sizes, a little bit bigger. And then it's got the two chambers where one holds the clean water, one holds the dirty water. Now, I've used a lot of mops in our house, and we actually have a cleaning lady that comes every other week, and I've offered her my many different styles of mops, including automatic ones. She prefers the X3 out of everything to mop our floors. And these are the type of floors we have throughout our entire house. So that's a pretty good testimonial when you've been given the choice of lots of mops, and she'll use the X3. So let me get it started. Also, this is the original size mop head, and then this is the XL. So you can see it's significantly bigger, which is really nice. This is the mop put together. Now, I am 5'8", and it's coming up to my chest level. But if you did want it even longer, it comes with an optional piece in there. So you can make this super tall if you want to. Okay, next step, I'm going to take out those pieces and add the clean water plus any cleaning solution and get this set up. Floor cleaner is in, and now I'm gonna add some water here. And then you just line up the lid and you'll pop it in. You'll hear the little push buttons click, and you are set. And then it has a nice little handle here to carry it around. Okay, next step, you're gonna hold this for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That fills the water into that chamber, and we're gonna start. Line up the mop, push it in. It's a pretty snug fit. And the first time you use it, your mop is only gonna be half saturated when you pull it out. As you lift it out, you can hear the water coming out. And again, it's only gonna be partially saturated the very first time you use it. Now what's cool is this thing is flexible, and it pushes really, really easily on your floor. And it doesn't leave giant puddles either. So it is quick once you start mopping for your floors to dry as well. You lift it up, you can see what it's been doing, and the next time you put it in, since this was the very first time, you may want to put it in the other way to saturate the other end. You can see that dirty water is collecting at the bottom. There's my clean water. You're just gonna continue your mopping of your floors. This works so well, and it really glides easily as well. Best mop. I love the XL size. This is just more convenient. And when you're done, you can use that to dump out the dirty water, but I usually just take the lid and dump it completely out. So simple. You're gonna love this mop. When it's done, you're gonna take the dirty one of these pads and then pop it in your washing machine and dryer, and it's good to go and use again. This is one of the new ones. So this is nice and clean and soft, but we reuse ours again and again and again, and they hold up beautifully.